Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be doing some craft basics where I'll show you how to create a glitter keychain with vinyl. All right, so we're going to be using this fuchsia glitter and some Mod Podge, of course, to work with. And I'll walk you through the steps on how we'll accomplish this. All right, so you'll need your foam brush or any brush that's, easy for you to apply the Mod Podge to this keychain. And of course, I always clean my work area with some alcohol and a paper towel, which is easier, of course. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these tutorials. And leave me a comment if you have any questions, throughout this video. I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. All right, so I'm applying the vinyl to the keychain, to the side of the keychain where, I want the letter to show up nice and bright. And this is a permanent vinyl, so you don't have to worry about it, falling off or, getting damaged easily. All right, perfect. So on the next side of this keychain, I will be applying some Mod Podge so I can add the glitter. I don't need a lot of Mod Podge today, so I'm just going to, make a little dab. So a light application of Mod Podge works wonders. You don't need to be heavy on the application. This amount is just fine. Okay, so you're just trying to make sure that there are no spaces. So when you apply the glitter, it comes out nicely. All right, so we're gonna go in with some glitter. And if you guys remember my video that I did with the glitter wine glass in the same color, it was really beautiful. I'll leave the link above so you can check it out. So that way you'll have an idea what this keychain is gonna look like when we're done. And you should definitely stick around because I also have another technique that I will show you using a acrylic glitter paint. So you don't have to do the Mod Podge and the glitter application. You could just go with the acrylic glitter paint, okay? All right, so remember that the Mod Podge takes about 4 weeks to fully cure, but it will dry within a couple hours, just dry to the touch, but it will take a couple weeks for it to really cure. All right. So I'm going to sit this aside for it to dry, and I will show you how I accomplished the other version of the keychain. So this is definitely a 2-in-1 for you. And don't forget to, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss these type of videos, and leave me a like, okay? Support is important for my channel to grow. All right, so here is the next version. So I'll be using the acrylic glitter paint, and I already applied the vinyl sticker to the side I wanted it on. So let's just add a bit of paint on the other side. So you could go light with the brush strokes, or you could go heavy. It depends on the look that you want to achieve. For me, I'm going to go light. This is more like a transparent paint. It's not too heavy. If maybe I was using like a black or a white, it would have been a bit darker. But the glitter paints are usually, lighter. All right, so I'm just cleaning the edges a little bit for the excess. And I am going to sit it down to dry for about, say, 2 hours. And then I will apply the second coat of paint. All right, so if you want it to be darker, you could probably go with 3 coats of paint, but I'm going to go with only 2. Okay, so here we are with the dried keychains, and I'm going to apply the second coat of paint. I'm only going to use 2 coats today. I'm speeding this up a little bit because you guys are now familiar with the process. on how to apply. Okay, so we're going to apply a second coat, set it to dry for about 2 hours, 3 hours, and then I will go in with a coat of Mod Podge just to seal it, and that will be my finished product. So I'm going to go ahead with my second coat of Mod Podge for this one and apply some glitter. All right, so this one is dried, so I can go ahead with my second coat of glitter. And once again, just a light coat of Mod Podge. It don't need to be heavy. And then we're going to pour on some glitter. So these are really easy projects, you know, that you can create for your craft business. You can sell these keychains, you can use them as gifts, or you could just use them for your own personal use. So these are 2 inches keychains. They're 2-inch acrylic keychains. And what I will do is to just seal this as well with some Mod Podge. I will go in with 2 coats of Mod Podge to seal it, and it will take a couple of hours to dry. And then I will show you the final product where I'll add the tassel and the chain itself to the product. All right. So here we are with the final products. All right. So on this pink one, you'll see that the back is not like 100% dried, but it's good to touch because I did seal them. All right. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.